The function h is defined above, where a, b, and c are integer constants. If the zeros of the function are -5, 6, and 7, what is the value of c? So here's a given equation. The task at hand is to figure out the value of c. So this is a cubic function, and we're giving zeros. So basically, 0 is the same thing as x-intercepts. And if we know that's the case, we can work backwards. If one of the x-intercept is -5, well, where did it come from? Which factor gave us that answer? It would be x plus 5. If we have 6 as a 0, it means the factor that gave us that was x minus 6. And likewise, if we have 7 as a 0, it means the factor that gave us the 7 was x minus 7. So notice all I'm doing is taking each of these and we're changing the sign to write it as a factor. So now the question is focusing on c. C is a constant. Now the constant will be, if we were to FOIL this entire expression, we would find c by multiplying the numbers together. So 5 times -6 is -30. -30 times -7 is +210. So c is 210. That's it.